Planets don't make sounds in space. Space is a vacuum, so sound waves cannot travel through it. What we hear are translations of radio emissions captured by spacecraft and converted into sound waves. Each planet has a unique sound. Radio emissions differ for each planet, resulting in a variety of sounds. The sound of a planet depends on its atmospheric composition, its magnetic field, its severe phenomena such as storms and volcanoes. Some planets' sounds are scary. The sounds of Saturn and Pluto are known to be eerie and unearthly. Saturn's sound resembles the cry of a giant bird, while Pluto's sound resembles a siren. The sound of Earth is musical. The sound of Earth resembles calm music consisting of high and low tones. These tones are produced by Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. The sounds of planets help us understand them. Scientists can use the sounds of planets to study their composition and characteristics. The sounds of planets help in discovering new phenomena, such as storms and volcanoes. Only the sounds of some planets have been recorded. The sounds of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have been recorded. The sound of Pluto has not been recorded yet, but scientists believe it will be terrifying. You can listen to the sounds of planets. NASA has published recordings of the sounds of planets on its website. You can find many videos online that contain the sounds of planets. The sounds of planets inspire artists. Some artists have used the sounds of planets in their musical and artistic works. The sounds of planets are a source of inspiration for many artists and creators. The sounds of planets remind us of the beauty of the universe. The sounds of planets are a reminder of the beauty and vastness of the universe. The sounds of planets help us feel awe and appreciation for the universe around us. The sounds of planets are a new field of research. There is still much we don't know about the sounds of planets. Scientists are conducting more research to better understand the sounds of planets. NASA uses a variety of equipment to record the sounds of planets. This equipment includes spacecraft. These are spacecraft that orbit or land on planets. Spacecraft have sensors that can detect radio waves emitted from planets. Radios. These devices are used to detect radio waves emitted from planets. Ground-based radios or radios on spacecraft can be used. Antennas. These devices are used to receive radio waves emitted from planets. Ground-based antennas or antennas on spacecraft can be used. Computers. These devices are used to convert the radio waves emitted from planets into sound that humans can hear. Here are some examples of specific equipment that NASA has used to record the sounds of planets. Juno spacecraft. This spacecraft has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016. Juno has recorded sounds from Jupiter's atmosphere, including the sounds of storms and volcanoes. Cassini spacecraft. This spacecraft orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017. Cassini recorded sounds from Saturn's atmosphere, including the sounds of its rings. New Horizons spacecraft. This spacecraft flew by Pluto in 2015. New Horizons recorded sounds from Pluto's atmosphere, including the sounds of winds and volcanoes. Using this equipment, NASA has been able to record sounds from all 8 planets in our solar system. These sounds help us to better understand the planets and provide us with a glimpse of the phenomena that occur on their surfaces.